So yeah, my friends, welcome to the video. My name is Owen Fox. Welcome, beautiful spirits of light and love. That's the way we roll here around Ireland. Just do those funny introductions, and even when you just see it in person on the street. No, but seriously, this video I wanted to share how eating raw living food for the last few weeks, 3 weeks almost, and I've been having higher nutrition, more omegas, more essential fatty acids, more amino acids / protein, and more calories, more fruit carbohydrates, more berries, more bananas, dates, just whatever. Making lovely raw vegan soups, and especially smoothies, and also other snacks. Even had some cashew cheese recently that I bought from the store. Just feeling phenomenal, feeling really good. I started catch up maybe just over the last few days, where I'm feeling particularly good, emotionally, just feeling really good. But I'd really recommend it. It's good for your gut, good for your skin, good for all of your organs, good for disease prevention, good for preventing premature aging, good for longevity, living old. I feel stronger and I feel more energy, so it's good for fitness, strength, muscle gain. Obviously you have to work out, but this year I'm planning on gaining muscle by working out more and recovering better. That's all I want to say in this video, so I'll keep it nice and short. So and if anybody hasn't already, you're more than welcome to join my community. It's really good for people it's called Life, Relationship, Family Skill. That's just what fitted in character-wise. But it's really, there's already people in there already. I've just recently launched it. And you get my 2 free books, my recent books, Heal Yourself, Your Life, Relationship, Family, and Ancestral Line. And it's about, so diet supports this, but my main passion and work is healing emotionally, mentally, spiritually, and becoming our greatest version, and living our soul purpose and mission here on earth while we're alive, and embodying spiritual higher energies while in the physical body, and living from our heart, and having really healthy relationships, and having good inner peace and mental clarity, and living with passion and purpose, and having wisdom. And diet helps. I've just gone for a lovely nature walk with my friend, and it's amazing. So I love being in nature, feeding myself good food. So join my free community. You'll get my 2 free books. I also have 2 free video courses, and I'd love to have you on board. So it's a very powerful and strong, safe community of like-minded souls, learning and growing together. And you'll enjoy it. So it'd be lovely to have you on board. Introduce yourself, and if you have any questions, just ask me when you get there as well. So love to have you on board. So come along, get my 2 free books. So my book is Heal Yourself, Life, Relationship, and Ancestral Line, and my other free book is Self-Awareness and Living in the Now. So Self-Awareness and Living in the Now is 43 pages, and the other one is 179 pages. You really enjoy those books. I got good reviews so far from people who are also healers and stuff. And the 2 video courses, one is right now is Spiritual Practice Made Simple and Grounded, and the other video course is Life, Death, and the Meaning of Life and Purpose. So I really love that one, especially as well from where I am right now. But you'll enjoy all of them. Lots of love. Have a great day, and happy special day it is today, because all the planets are aligning, and we won't have this again in our lifetime. So get in, set your intentions for the year, and live with intention. That's what I have to say. So lots of love. Have a great day. Beautiful people. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.